Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basics, your device OS, App Store access, and that YouTube is signed in. Next, pick a VPN known for streaming and low latency so videos play smoothly. Once chosen, install the VPN app and grant required permissions. Make sure you have your account credentials handy. You're not wasting time. This gets you to a live connection quickly. After install, open the VPN and prepare to select a server optimized for video. This reduces buffering and avoids region blocks before you proceed. Now you configure and connect. Sign into the VPN app, then enable protections like kill switch and DNS/IP leak prevention so your YouTube traffic stays private. Next, choose a server optimized for streaming or in the country whose content you need. Closer servers usually mean lower latency. Once connected, verify your public IP and run a quick ping or open a short YouTube clip to check bandwidth and playback. If video loads and latency is acceptable, you're ready to watch normally with the VPN active. Finish by launching YouTube and confirming the desired content is accessible. Clear the app cache or reload the page if region changes aren't reflected. If playback stutters, switch servers or change VPN protocol. WireGuard often improves speed. OpenVPN can be more stable. Make sure IP6 is disabled if leaks occur, and confirm DNS uses the VPN's resolver. If YouTube still blocks you, contact VPN support or try a nearby country server. These final checks ensure consistent streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.